Take a closer look at some extraordinary organisms in Creatures of Light, Nature's Bioluminescence, the companion app to the popular exhibition at the American Museum of Natural History. Enjoy interactive animations, photo galleries, and videos that reveal the beauty of this amazing natural phenomenon as you learn how bioluminescence works and how scientists study it. By air, by land, and by sea, discover creatures that blink, flash, glow, and glitter. Explore the hidden world of bioluminescence up close with Creatures of Light. Download the iPad app for free from iTunes.